Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. I'm on my way to do a small little plumbing project, and I thought this would be a good time to show you my PEX crimping tool. They have many different types of tools that you can use. This one here, I'm able to do 1/2 inch, 3/8, 3/4, and 1 inch PEX. But the job I'm going to go do real quick is just involves some 1/2 inch PEX pipe. So if you've never done this before, this stuff is awesome. I've done a lot of this, and what's nice about this is even if the water is on, as long as the pressure is off on the other side and the water is going through, you can actually repair it right while it's on. So it's kind of cool. All you're going to need is you're going to need some crimping rings. I've got some 1/2 inch elbows. I've got to stop and get some couplings. I've only got the one here. And you're going to need some sort of a cutter. These are Irwin cutters I got from Home Depot. And the Cobalt makes the crimping tool. And I just got a pair of channel locks here. So real quickly, all you need to do is once you get the length that you need, or whatever it is, where you're coming out of, you go ahead and you just cut it like that. You take the coupling and you take a couple of crimp rings. I'm sorry, you can put the coupling on first, then the coupling, and then what I like to do is you can take a pair of channel locks or a pair of pliers and just kind of squeeze it ever so slightly, just so it'll hold it there. Do the same thing on the other side. Go like that. Slide that in. And imagine you can do this while the water is running. That's what's really cool. And that's all there is to it. So then you take your crimping tool, open that up, you slide that in like that, and just squeeze it. There's one side, go to the other side, and there it is, done. Nothing to this at all. Anybody can do it, and so you can get the 90s and the couplings and all the assorted things that you need for this, either at Home Depot or Lowe's. And I've even gotten these online. They have a couple of different colors. They've got the red for hot water. They got the blue for the cold water, and then there's even clear. It's like a pale white that you can use as well. So there it is. Not a whole lot to it. I hope this helps, and I'll let you know how things work out. If it doesn't work out, I'll be doing a video on that. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one.